I'm going to be using my 1993 300E 2.8. Okay, the first thing you do before you read codes is turn the key on to accessory. Don't start the car, just till those lights come on. The diagnostics port for my 300E is located next to the battery. We've got 1 being ground and 16 being power, and then the rest are for testing. But don't make the assumption you can pull codes from all of the ports. You'll have to look down each hole and figure out which ones have the copper contacts. On my car, I can get codes from 6, 7, and 8, 10, and 14. And the rest of these are blank. So today we're going to pull some codes from port 6. Okay, we've got the code reader hooked up, and using the handy reference black 1, red 16, yellow test. We're going to be testing on port 6. So get you a piece of paper, write number 6 down for port 6. And press your button, about 2 seconds. The light will come on and then release. And then count the light flashes. Okay, that was 6 flashes. I will write that down. Okay, and we're going to continue that until the light count repeats itself. Okay, that was 8. So we got a 6. And an 8. Got a 3. And that was a 6. So we know we've got all the codes for port 6 because we got a 6, 8, 3, and it recycled itself at 6. So those are all the codes for port 6. On my 1993 300E 2.8, it's a 124 body style, 16 port connection. We pulled codes from number 6 port, and the codes we got were 6, 8, and 3. One thing to note is the PDF code file, it refers to it as a socket, so we got codes from socket number 6. The PDF code file, go ahead and download that to your desktop or wherever. Double click on it and do Control F, and it's going to pull up your find box up here and type in socket 6 and just hit return or next. And what we're looking for is 16 pin socket 6 124, and of course the correct year, but we don't have all those variables here. So let's keep on going until we see we're still on. Okay, 124 body style, 1993, 16 pin. It can be an 8, but it's 16 pin socket 6. Remember, we plug the yellow into socket 6, black 1 and red power 16. Okay, we'll go down to, for socket 6, we got a code 6, and that was a front passenger seat ETR. And then we got an 8, voltage supply interrupted. And then we got a 3, that driver airbag squib. But you can see how we get codes. It's a pretty simple process. Once you read one set of codes, it's really simple. Using your search box and just click through until you find the correct socket. After looking at the PDF code file, we know what these codes mean. Let's go back and clear them. We've got the code reader hooked up as normal, black 1, red 16. We're going to press the button again to read the codes as normal, but after each code presents itself, we're going to press and hold the button for about 6 seconds, and that'll clear the code. Now that code is clear. And let's move on to the next one. The next one should be an 8. Okay, that's clear. And the last one should be a 3. And we'll clear that one. All the codes on 6 are clear. That doesn't mean your problems are fixed. If you've got issues with your car, it's always going to throw a code back, and you're going to get these codes and keep getting them. You're going to get frustrated as to why you can't get them cleared. Well, you can't clear them unless you fix the problem. By using the code reader, the PDF file, it's going to give you an indication as to what's wrong with your car. Get it fixed, then you can clear these codes for sure. I ship from Kansas, priority mail, so pretty much 2 days anywhere in America. I guarantee my code reader 100%. If for any reason, or you just don't like it, send it back. I'll give you all your money back. Thanks.